SABC's foreign editor Sophie Mokoena sat down with the German ambassador to South Africa, Martin Schäfer, and spoke about bilateral relations between the two countries.
Ambassador, thank you for your time. Here we are. You have been in the country for quite some time now. I know you have been here before, but returning back, and there was a lot of work that you were supposed to do to strengthen the relations between the two countries. How will you characterize or describe the relations between South Africa and Germany at this point in time?
First of all, it is a wonderful moment in the history of South Africa for me to have come back now. The first important historic decision in South Africa that I was able to witness was in the middle of December, the decision of the ANC elective conference to have a new leadership for the ruling party and for the country. And what has been named the New Dawn is really the attempt of many people in South Africa to turn this country around. And I see my mission here in South Africa as a representative of the biggest economy and the biggest democracy in Europe, as to offer help and assistance and to contribute to transformation. I think South Africa needs the help of the outside world if it wants to achieve its goals of a rainbow nation, its goals of a fair and just society in which everybody gets the chance to enjoy the political freedoms and to get its share of the potential and the prosperity South Africa has.
Let's talk about economic diplomacy. We have Volkswagen here, we have Audi here, you know, we have many German companies in South Africa. The trade between the two countries, in terms of rands and cents or euros or dollars, where do we stand?
I think Germany and German investors and German companies have a lot to offer. First of all, the companies that you have mentioned, Volkswagen, Mercedes-Benz, BMW, Bosch, Siemens, they don't consider themselves to be German companies. They are South African companies. They have been here for decades. In the case of Siemens, they have been here for more than 150 years. They have gone with South Africa through thick and thin. And what they have been offering in recent years is what they can offer for the future. They offer good jobs, decent pay, vocational training and good education for tens, I'm inclined to say hundreds of thousands of South Africans. And they prove that South Africans can produce world-class products. A Mercedes C-Class produced in East London, a BMW X3 produced in Rosslyn, a Volkswagen Polo produced in Port Elizabeth is state-of-the-art technology that can compete with the best products of the world. So I see the investments of German companies as a beacon of hope, as something that proves that in South Africa it is possible to compete with the best in the world. And if you allow, Sophie, just a couple of words on trade. We have a trade turnover last year of around 17 billion euros, which is about 250 billion rands. That is many, many thousands of containers between two countries that are 8,000 kilometers apart. And our trade helps, and our investment helps South Africa meet its challenges. We invest in the country in order to have companies produce products that can be exported in the world, and we have been in recent years very successful in doing so. And I believe that the New Dawn and the new strive by the president of this country to attract foreign investors is a good chance for German investors too, to come here, to look at the framework and to continue to be good partners of South Africa while investing in this country.